What's up guys, it's all here. The hottest Android phone right now, aka the Nothing Phone 1 is coming, and well, one of the biggest mysteries about this phone is finally solved. Yes, in today's leak we gotta look at the full hardware specs as well as the pricing of this phone, which is what everyone is waiting to hear. The Nothing Phone 1 will leave nothing to imagination. We have good news. According to this new leak, there will be 3 variants of the phone 1, starting with $400 price for the base 8GB of RAM / 128GB model, and then maxing out at $450 for the 12GB of RAM model. This was exactly what people expected regarding the pricing of this phone, and considering the specs this phone is packing, it is actually a pretty good deal. One of its main competitors in this price range would be the Galaxy A53 5G, and compared to that, Nothing Phone 1 is definitely packing quite a bit of muscle. Looking at the hardware specs, it's actually rocking a 50MP main sensor along with a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens. We don't know what sensor this phone is rocking, probably it could be a Sony sensor, but I like the resolution of the ultra-wide-angle lens compared to the usual 8MP that we see on most mid-range phones. The front camera is said to be 16MP as well, and under the hood we have Snapdragon 778 Plus G chip, which is actually a really good processor with a great reputation than what we get on the Galaxy A53 5G, which is the Exynos 1200. The display is OLED 120Hz, and as revealed by MKBHD, the front display bezels are looking incredibly slim. It's said to have a 4500 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive considering how slim this phone looks, along with 45W fast charging, and no, there won't be a charger inside the box. The RAM is said to be LPDDR5, we have UFS 3.1 storage, Android 12 based on Nothing OS. It's got a lot of neat features, especially the ability to play with the lights on the phone and schedule it the way you want. We also have a possible press render leak that shows off the black model as well, which looks equally impressive like the white variant. As for the official release, it's set to happen on July 12th and happening in India first, and then after 2 weeks it will be introduced in different markets. Sadly, phone 1 will not be launched in US. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I gotta say, this looks pretty incredible. Since it's different from other phones, it's already getting all the hype, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, along with this massive leak, we also have an official announcement coming from HTC. The HTC Vives ecosystem phone is now official, and it is so not what they teased in terms of design and specs. It's actually a mid-range Desire 22 Pro phone with the mid-range level specs with all the metaverse integration, so you can connect this to HTC's VR headset. You'll be able to access all the virtual content as well as the digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFT directly on the phone. It's definitely a very specific phone, and again, like I said, compared to what they teased, this phone definitely doesn't look all that bezel-less. Maybe they might have something powerful planned in the future, and this could just be the beginning of what's to come. So let me know what you think about this in the comments as well. That's all the latest news. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.